reddeerhospitallottery.ca, guys. You can win a house. I believe it's 85% sold. So get on it if you're in that area. Okay, so here we are at the front door. And as you can see, a closet right as soon as you get in. So that's very handy, very cool. And then you turn right. And by the way, look at these nice windows at the top. It brings in that natural light. You can totally see it on the walls. Fantastic. Really like that. And you know, this is your new home office. Working from home. Beautiful. Little view outside. I like it. Very nice and easy to set up a laptop and your computer screen there. No problem at all. Got a closets on both sides of the entry door. Very handy to keep some of your office books. Keep your books. A little bookkeeping. And then you have this nice natural kind of wood flooring on this floor. Modern fixture. And a mirror on the wall. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's going to win this after all? Should I go in here? It looks like a mudroom. Why not? You know, if you're older like me, you can always sit down, take off your boots, your shoes. Much easier than a shoehorn or just trying to do it standing up. Put your hat there. Very nice. Really like these cabinets as well. In the mud. And this is a mudroom. I can't even wait to get into the rest of this house. That was a door. Looks like the garage. Can we get in? Okay, I don't know what happened here. Somehow I ended up, looks like downstairs. So I'm gonna pause this video and get back up there. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I did take some time to try to get back into here, but every time I do, it takes me to the basement. So I'm going to skip that, but it looks like a nice garage nonetheless. I'm assuming is out that door. And then we have laundry room right here. Again, stacked washer dryer, which is nice and space saving. It looks like a huge machines. And a nice place to fold your laundry. Okay, I'm going to go back out this way though. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. Okay, again, as soon as you come down, you get exposure to more closets. In this entry hallway, you get a powder room. Whoa, that's more than a powder room. It's got a shower and a tub. Very well decorated too. Very nice. Look at that. Wasn't expecting that in a powder room. Very nice. Let's go out. Look at this view. So you got your front door in the corner here. It's kind of nice. No one can peep through that big window and look at what you're doing straight away. Wow. Wow, I didn't notice this wine area. Yeah. They've gone all out in Red Deer. Okay, look at this huge kitchen. Wow, this is a foodie's dream, guys. Look at this. Just keeps on going. Wow. Windows bring in natural light. Pantry cabinets. Wow. Look at that. Loving it. What are you guys thinking? Put in the comments. What do you think so far? Red Deer? Red Deer. Very nice. Windows. Nice exhaust. Well appointed. Lots of room. Frosted windows. I don't mean to make you dizzy, but this is fantastic. Like I said, that nice Wine display. Place to eat or drink some of that wine. You got, your 4 stools at this kitchen. Just keeps going. Let's go. Family room right here. Fireplace, cozy, big screen TV. Lots of room behind this couch. Looks like it's a new development. You're gonna have some grass soon. Nice. Really like how they styled this. I'm gonna find out who did this design, and I'll let you know. Looks like a great looking deck out here for your barbecue dreams. Oh, okay, there's a bedroom in this level. Okay. Very interesting. Big window looking on this deck. Or balcony. I don't know. It looks like we're on a main floor, but it's like a second floor. If that makes sense. By looking at the others and through the window here. Yeah. So the basement's kind of like windows here on the neighbor. So I'm assuming that's exactly what's happening here. Alright, so we got a barn sliding door, very modern. Everyone's doing that. Big TV in your bedroom. Huge ensuite by the looks of it. What? Again, I wasn't expecting this at all. His and hers. Sinks, a huge tub in the middle separating you. Don't trip over that. Don't fall in there. But look at this shower. Can I back up? Wow. This is right up to date. Look at that. No stepping. You just walk right in. This is a walk-in water closet. Look at this. Rainfall. You got some... Look at this handle. Like it's super modern. I don't even know what you call that. But I know that's a rainfall. And all these other ones just will squirt you in all the places you need to get fresh and clean. It's great. Big mirror. I'm assuming. And here's your toilet. All right. Then further through there, you walk into closet. So you got this huge walk-in closet space. One on that side, and I guess that smaller side would be the guys, right? Typically is. All right. So there we got the walk-in closet. And then further through this door, you got the laundry. So I see a lot of houses are doing this. Really convenient. You have your bedroom, your ensuite, your walk-in closet, and then you have your laundry all on the same level, all in sequence. Really kind of neat. Makes sense to me, 100%. Okay, so let's get out of here. I'll just backtrack a bit. Explore this house a little more. Wow, if I was in Red Deer, I'd definitely be all over this lottery. Supporting that Red Deer Hospital lottery and a chance to win this. Are you kidding me? I'd be all over it, guys. All over it. Okay, so we explored this floor. And now we go downstairs. Looks like a nice carpeting. So you don't slip and fall down the slippery wooden stairs. So you can... Looks like a nice solid wood banister. So you can make your way down here very safely. No elevator needed. Okay, so we're on the main level. Or, sorry, the basement level. And it looks like it has a bar over here with your sink. Shaken or stirred. So, yep, that's your bar. All right, and then you have a little table here to have a little card game. Or you might want to just have a beer there with your buddies. Or some wine with your ladies. All right. Nice, comfortable area here to chill out with your friends. Watch some TV, play some video games if you're into that, or your grandkids or kids. Depends on where you are in your life. This is interesting. Looks like a garage style door opening here. And then that kind of garage, yeah, the garage door opening. Isn't that interesting? A little kick of cool there. Don't dream, train for it or something? Yeah, don't dream of it, train for it. All right, little motivator on the mirror. Workout in this kind of garage style basement fitness center, or you can do whatever you want in here, I suppose. If you're not into fitness, you can make this into your Coronation Street watching station. We'll close that door. No one can disturb you watching your Corey Street. Or you can make a, your sports, put a pool table in there, craft room, man cave, literally, right? Anything you want in there. Come out here, boom, you're back into reality. Okay, let's further explore. So you come downstairs, like I said, you have this bar, you have this family room. Come over here, looks like another hall, short hallway, 2 extra bedrooms. Nice space bedroom. I like this closet, how they put in the built-in shelving for you. That's very nice. What's this thing down there? Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Bright for a basement, right? You have all those windows at kind of ground level, but bringing in the light. Keep further down. You have a bathroom, tub and shower. Yep. Okay, so shared washroom downstairs. And then boom, you're in another room. Again, well appointed. Nice natural light as well in a walk-in closet. The same as the other room. Very cool. That's all you really need, guys. Very nice. Wow, wow. Let's take a seat and reminisce. Okay, so here I will go through a few things with you as I kind of just pan here and sit and enjoy the view. Actually, maybe we'll sit at the bar. The 2021 Red Deer Hospital Lottery Dream Home, designed by Sorento Custom Homes, is coming together. Modern design and comfortable functionality. This $840,000 bungalow features 3,342 square feet of developed living space. It's a perfect family home featuring 4 bedrooms, including 2 on the main level, 3 full baths, and a gym/playroom on the lower level next to a spacious family room. You'll love the large sun deck off the living room, and the kitchen is sure to please every foodie. Enjoy the convenience of the 5-piece ensuite connecting to a large walk-in closet, and beside it, a laundry room. Fantastic convenience, guys. The design of this unique home is complemented by a gorgeous finishings provided by The Brick. Plus, new this year, the home prize package includes $10,000 in cold hard cash. Ha! How cool is that? Bringing the total grand prize dream home package to $880,619. Mind blowing. Red Deer Hospital Lottery is over 85% sold, guys. Get your tickets. Final deadline is June 21st. Good luck.